guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with Happy Mail. I received this extra large box of Happy Mail from my bestie, who is Armin, HappyMailQueen here on YouTube. Hey girl, thank you so much. I was like, what in the world did you send me? I'm like, this box is huge. So I just opened it up, the box. She's had it decorated so super cute. I just wanted to kind of show you how she decorated with washi, and she has all these cute little stamps all over. Absolutely sweet. So thank you, Armin. I am so excited to open this. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. Since this is a big box, this is probably gonna take me a little bit of time to open. She had this cute tissue paper on the very top, and oh my gosh, girl. I'm just gonna start at the top and work my way down. All right, so she sent me this really pretty felt envelope. So let's open it up. Oh, she sent me some socks. You plus me equals glitter. Oh, thank you, Armin. I love these. I saw them. Thank you so much. Oh, and she sent me this. It says Girls Rule. That is extra cute, and I can definitely put this in my craft room. And then, oh, she even sent me some of this really pretty chunky glitter. Thank you, girl. I didn't get this one. And there's a couple more little things. Oh, it says Best Friends Forever. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. That's so sweet. I saw these at Target. Oh, super, super cute. It was one of those like ceramic trays. And then she sent me some trim. Super, super sweet, girl. I tell you, you always spoil me when you send stuff. I truly appreciate it. All right, so I'm gonna open this next. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you sent this much stuff. Oh, yay! You sent me one of your traveler's notebooks. Oh, thank you, Armin. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's look at her notebook. She made these adorable charms, and definitely check out her channel because she has a tutorial and she shares how she makes these charms. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love how you do these little tassels on the bottom. So pretty. All right, I'm gonna open it up. So this is a Valentine's Day themed one. Oh my gosh, happy Valentine's Day. And she's got a shaker in here. I love the mix that you have in here. How adorable. Oh my gosh, I love those ones right there. Did you get those at Michael's? Those are pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down. And this is the back of that page. Sending my love. Oh, this is so sweet. So this is the first page and it has a note. It's a notebook, so I can write stuff down. And then look at this. This is the back side of her shaker, of her clear page. Absolutely cute. You have really fun sequins in here. I love the mix. And then, oh, this is her genius idea with the little tag. She made this with the Mama Elephant tag. And it's actually, it's a magnet, you guys. So I can actually stick stuff. Uh-oh, this just came off. I can fix that. But I can use a magnet and stick stuff to this. And she shares how she did that. And I love this embellishment. And look how it's sewn. Did you say that Bridget gave you this? I can't remember. Oh, this is so cool. Thank you, Armin. And she even added like one of these chunky tassels. This is from the Target Dollar Spot from last year. Oh, so sweet. And then the next page is a folder. And she's got, oh, this is really cute, Armin. Look at that treat topper. It's a heart. And then she's got some really pretty bling in there. Oh, that's really pretty. Thank you, Armin. And then she's got these tags. I'm just gonna set that down. I'll just zoom in just a little bit. There we go. So she's got this pretty tag right here, and she's got these little hearts dangling from her tag. That's so pretty, Armin. And then look at this one. It says Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, that's so super sweet. I love that tag. That's really pretty. All right, and then here is the next notebook. And oh, it's a shaker. Look at that. And I love this tag. It's one of my favorite tag dies. Super cute. And then we got another notebook, and she made it double-sided. And then she made this, another folder, and she's used dies to decorate this folder. How pretty is that? And then on the inside, she's got some more tags. Those are really, really pretty. Oh, I like that. It's like a stamp right there. How cute. Thank you so much, Armin. This is adorable. And then we've got another tag. And look how she added the heart and she put the hole through. She kind of made her own little, what is that called? Like a reinforcer. Happy Valentine's Day, bestie. Enjoy, Armin. Oh, thank you, Armin. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, adorable. And then here's the back, and she's got these cut aparts in here that I can use and have fun with. This is beautiful paper, Armin. I love it. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you sending me one of these, girl. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, I'll have to put that to use. All right, so, oh my gosh. So she sent me this beautiful glitter sequence heart. If you guys don't know, this is my favorite color. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful, Armin. Thank you. I never see stuff like this. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then look, oh my gosh, she's got a keychain in here for me. Oh, it's an Easter keychain and it's purple. Oh, that's so sweet. You're so thoughtful, girl. That's so sweet. And then she's got, oh my goodness, she's got the metal hearts. And they're purple. Oh my gosh, I can use these to decorate for Valentine's Day. Oh, those are so pretty. Thank you so much. How cute. Thank you, girl. Look at you. Purple straws. Oh, this must be like from like 99-cent store or a store that we don't have in here in Georgia. I'm just saying. But thank you so much. Look at those purple hearts. I'm in love. Oh my gosh, thank you. I love those. And then she sent me one of these pens. Oh, it's one of those pens that you can click and it changes. Oh, that's adorable. Thank you so much, Armin. She sent me these little embellishments right here. Looks like they're like baby like clips or something, but obviously you can embellish your crafting projects with them. Those are gorgeous with the sequins, so pretty. There are so many things in here, you guys. So she sent me these beautiful wood clips. Thank you for sharing, girl. I truly appreciate it. Oh my goodness. And then look at this mason jar. Oh, it's purple. And it's filled with candy. Oh, thank you, Armin. Oh, this is so sweet. Isn't that cute, you guys? Oh, I love it. And it's plastic. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, adorable. Okay. Oh, and she sent me one of her beautiful wands. Oh, and look, it says Happy Valentine's Day on the washi. Oh, thank you so much. I have every wand that you've made me, I have. I still have every single one. Look how pretty her wand is, you guys. She used the Spellbinders heart dies, and then she made a rosette just so you can see the layering, and she added a beautiful butterfly right there and that beautiful My Creative Time bow. Absolutely gorgeous. And then she finished it off in the back and with this pink glitter paper, and she used a stir stick. Oh, that's so pretty, Armin. Thank you so much. It's beautiful, beautiful. I'll have to add that to my collection. And she sent me some chocolate. Thank you, girl. You know I'm gonna eat that up. You know that I am. And then, oh yay, you know, she just posted a video recently sharing her heart tag flip book. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. It's absolutely adorable. Armin, you're so creative, seriously. And she's all about tools. She finds the best ways to use tools. So she's got her tool bow, and then she's got one of her little heart dangles that she created out of those little felt hearts. And oh, that's so pretty. And then she's even got like a tiny little like gem right there, like a little charm. Super cute. So this is the first heart. Oh, I love the way you decorated it. It's so pretty. And then this is this back of it, and it says forever. And then look at her cute little embellishment right there. How pretty is that, you guys? Oh, it's gorgeous, Armin. And then this is the next little heart. And then she used like, oh, she used like a stretchy cording to attach it. Oh, that's clever. Oh, look, with the little, the bead. Oh, that's cute, Armin. You know I'm gonna have to try this. So she's got a little message. Oh, and it says scratch to reveal. Oh, that is cute. Look at that. It says hug, best gal. Oh, that's adorable. And then this is the back of this one, and she used some dies and some die cuts. Super cute. Oh, I love it. And then she used this, there's this page, and she even has an eyelet right there too, in case you didn't notice. She actually has eyelets, so it's easy to turn. And this heart is like a foam, so it makes it easy to flip. So she's got her sweet treats, and I love those hearts right there, girl. Those are pretty. And it says Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, so sweet. And there's the back of that heart. So sweet. And then look at her adorable shaker. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna make one of these. Like I might make one today. Look at that. That's cute. She did like 2 layers. Like she did the gold down here, and then she has this part with the colored mix. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that idea, Armin. How pretty is that? And it says Girl Squad, and she's got a little bling right there on the shoe. Super cute. And then this page on the back says love, and she has a lot of bling hearts on the back of this one. And then we've got a cocktail on this one. Yes. And it says XOXO. That is adorable. And I just love the papers and the colors that you used. And then here's the back, and it says inspired by life, created by hand, Armin. Oh, thank you, girl. I love that. I'll cherish it forever, for sure. All right, I'm gonna keep going, you guys. So she has one of these really pretty bags in here. Thank you, girl, for sharing. And then she even sent me these plastic letters for the, I think these go to like those memory boards. I don't have one, but I'm hoping to get one soon. That's adorable. So those are the emojis, super cute. And then, oh, she sent me this wand. Okay, so Armin told me this was birthday, Valentine's Day, and I can't remember what else, but girl, this is so sweet. Oh my gosh. So she used one of the poker doodle images, and she created a shaker. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? Look at that. Oh, I love it. Let me just make sure I'm focused. But look at her layering. She's got a beautiful bow, and she's got twine, and then she's got her beautiful tool, and she made a rosette. And then here's the back. She finished it off like that in the back, and then she's got a pretty straw. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that, Armin. It's so pretty. Oh, see, now I've got 2 more to add to the collection. Thank you, girl. And then she's got this cute little bag in here, and that's a cute little unicorn bag. Super cute. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, you sent me one of your like little embellishment books. Thank you, Armin. Oh, and yours is like perfect. I remember making one of these. I followed her tutorial. If you guys are interested, definitely check out her channel. She has a tutorial on how to create this. It's a little embellishment book, and she's got each little page has like bling, like different color bling. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, thank you, Armin. And then there's some extra pages so I can add my own. And then I can just kind of pull this out when I need some bling, and it'd be right on hand. And she used this really pretty faux leather glittery paper, which you can probably find at Hobby Lobby. Super pretty, I love it. Thank you so much for that. And then, oh, she sent me a stamp. Oh my gosh, she sent me a greeting farm stamp. This is, what is this? Happy Day. And it's got the cute little girl with the pigtails. Oh, thank you, Armin. Isn't she adorable? Oh, it has smiley, happy day, fun. And then look at that little boy. Oh, he's cute. He's holding a dinosaur. Oh, that's adorable. Girl, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then she sent me some metallic pens from Daiso. Ooh, it says black ink, but I really love the colors. How pretty are those? Oh, wow. Thank you. Definitely will put those to use. I probably can put them in a traveler's notebook. All right. Oh, and then she sent me these ones too. I think these are probably from Daiso. It says just for you. Wow, those are pretty. Look at the top of those. It has a flower. So pretty. Oh, it's a pencil. Oh, cool. That is so neat. We don't have Daiso here in Georgia, so I always get excited when you send me these things, Armin. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna keep going, you guys. Actually, I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna come back because this video is getting long, so stay tuned for part 2, okay?